How to turn on or turn off private DNS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connections, scroll down and click on More Connection Settings. After click on More Connection Setting, click on Private DNS. After click on private DNS, if you want to turn off private DNS, so click on off. You will see private DNS is turned off. If you want to turn on private DNS, click on private DNS and you will select automatic and DNS. So click on automatic. You will see private DNS is turned on. You will turn on or turn off private DNS from here. After the process, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off private DNS on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.